So unfortunately I lost the video explaining what I'm going to do to this motorcycle, but the first problem was this. The gearbox was leaking, and quite a lot. So changing the place where I start the bike because the little dogs are barking all the time, and that's pretty annoying. Let's see. What I found out too is that when this one is out, actually scale off, and when you put it in, it's just sparking. So yeah, I don't know who did that, but normally it's the other way around. So new spark plugs in, and hopefully ready to go. I still need to adjust the carburetor, so let's see. Oh, that one easy, okay. Okay, so let's take the carburetors out and clean up the stationary jet. That could be it too. Okay, yes. Let's get back to the garage. Brum bum 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 brum bum 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 bum. Brum bum 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 bum. So there we go again. Let's see. Tack, tack. so the bike runs, so that's good. But yeah, I see that the lights are not working. The speedometer, it wasn't working, and now it's working again, so that's good. And yeah, just let's check the battery, because I think, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think this is a 6 volt battery, and this light, it looks like 12 volt, looks like it, and the rear, I guess, is the same. So yeah, let's bring it in again, check that, and see what's going on. So the lady is back on the table. Why? Well, two things. One, the battery that I just bought for her, and yesterday I plugged it, and yeah, all the lights, I think I said that already, but all the lights are 6 volt. I check if they were 12 or 6, and everything is 6, so okay, that's good. But yeah, I bought a battery, a new one. I connected, nothing is working. I checked the battery is dead, and I'm like, this is a new brand battery. So now I have it on the charger, and let's see. But later on I'm gonna call the company, because what the heck. And another thing is this, let's see, this one is start to leaking again, okay, from there, but it's not from the outside now, it's from the inside. So I'm gonna take everything apart again and show it. Yeah, so there you go, you can see it's leaking through there. Okay, so the outside now is dry, but the inside is still leaking, even though I put 2 rubber rings. So let's machine this. So this is how it looks now. This is perfect. It's tight, but it's free, so that's good. I'm gonna take this one off, and I'm gonna make another one here, just to double, and that's it. Yeah. There he goes again. So I found a problem with the lights on this one. Okay, I don't know if I film it because it's in between days. So this video, it looks like one video, but it's different days. Okay, but I found already the problem, and the problem was that actually somebody here inside is a fuse, but somebody else put another fuse here. And yeah, this one, it's this old version one that has like a spring in here, okay? And this gives a lot of problems. That's why I always eliminate them, because most of the times what happens is that it gets stuck or whatever. And right now it's a spring, it does what it should do, but most of the times it's just standing fixed under, and then the fuse goes up and down, and then that's why the bike sometimes just lose the connection, or you are riding with the bike, pop, 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 and then everything, the lights goes off and whatever. In this case, this one has a magneto, but if you don't have a magneto and you have like a normal standard with the rotor and the stator, the bike just shut down. And yeah, I always eliminate those. And right now I'm gonna check if I have one, and I'm just gonna change it so this doesn't happen anymore, you know, because it was really annoying. I was like, oh no, I hope I don't need to check all the cables, because there is no, I don't know, like this is self-made, so I will need, I would need to go and check all the cables, and it takes a lot of work. It doesn't look like it, but yeah, it does. So let's see if I have one. Otherwise I'm gonna pick up one and just change it, and then put it next to the battery, fix it, and send it away. Yeah, so this lady, it's done. So there we go, people, another one good to go. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like to help the channel and yeah, me, you can do so by super thanks below, okay, or just buy me a coffee. Somewhere here I'm gonna put like a link, okay. Hopefully it doesn't take all the screen, but who knows, because by doing the videos always, you know, it's in editing is it's not easy. So yeah, see you in the next one, and again, thanks for watching. Ciao.